Good evening, and very kind of you, Weaver, because very kindly you have made me to feel shy here in front of so many people, because I think I have done very less, and the entire team of Healthcare Radius, they have done extremely well. And I must tell this before I formally say for a couple of minutes. I was keeping a tab of how many registration, what is the kind of response, and I was delighted to hear 3 days back exactly that it has crossed 250 and we are stopping the registration. So that is the kind of reach they have made during this entire tenure. And of course, there are a few name suggestions I gave for the panel discussion and all, but I could see before I could give, they have reached the right people, and many of them are here in this room today. So first of all, it is my privilege to be here, thanks to Healthcare Radius. And as Mr. Vivor has told about my association, I remember my first edition of this, what I attended, it was in Gurgaon, 2013 or 14. And I was invited, I went and I saw the kind of arrangement was made. And I still remember the kind of warmth he had. And I think the smart hospital we are going to talk about today, but he is a very smart man, because I see that even after 10, 11 years, he is maintaining him so lean, trim, fit, and looking smart. His specs have gone. He used to have specs, now it has gone. So coming back to the topic and the event today, the smart healthcare, and around that the couple of roundtable what has been organized are very pertinent. And I will take it from Nehal that she mentioned about yesterday's airstrike by India. That was a smart move. But at the same time, I'm not sure how many of you have heard about even a smarter move has taken place today, which has been declared by the government of India, that around 15 cities were targeted and the missiles were about to come, but before it could reach here, all those have been neutralized. And one of the very heartening thing I could get in that press release, one of the Indian thing what was used was manufactured in India. It is a Indian manufactured weapon which was used to do this. So it's a matter of pride for all of us. And that is exactly what is the smart move, I must say. We have come across COVID probably before it was much in a big issue in India. We used to see the kind of horrible effect it created in abroad. We are worried that how will we manage, but our Indian entrepreneurs, manufacturers, they have shown the agility, they have shown the kind of responsibility and innovation capability through which we could sustain and we could reach this stage today. Though in many aspects we need to learn, we need to adapt, we need to improve ourselves, but I can tell without any hesitation that those days are not far away when people inside this room, even outside this room, when we are going to work together, we can take Indian healthcare in a much higher level. And I'm sure and confident this kind of programs will give a lot of inputs to all of us to think it through and curate and create that kind of environment. Before I end, I want to thank formally Mr. Vivor for having confidence on me, and I didn't tell about my health because I thought if you drop me, I wanted to be part of it. Then I want to thank Nehal and also Farooq. I know them for a very long time and they're doing a wonderful job. And Healthcare Radius, he was talking about that during even the COVID and all the ITB publications were out, and I can tell you whenever the magazine comes out, we look for the edition because we know that we'll be getting something value addition in that copy of that particular month's edition. So thank you for continuing with that, keeping trust on the industry, and on behalf of the industry, I want to thank ITP Healthcare Radius for continuing this for the 10th edition and keeping it up every time. Thank you very much.
Thank you so much. Once again, a huge round of applause for him, everyone. Requesting you to please stay on the stage. Now, to felicitate, I would request Rahul Sequeira, Managing Director, ITP Media India, and Vibhor Srivastav, Managing Director, Events, ITP Media India. Can we have a huge round of applause for both of them as they join us here for the felicitation? Huge round of applause, everyone. Requesting to please capture the moment.